Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel. If arthritis pain is holding you back, it's time to take action. Let me introduce you to Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel. This doctor-recommended, clinically proven gel is here to help you regain control of your life. The packaging now features an easy flip cap, perfect for quick, effortless application, whether you're using your palm, fingers, or just one hand. This nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory gel penetrates deep to target the source of inflammation, delivering prescription-strength relief for arthritis pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. With consistent use 4 times a day, Voltaren provides significant relief within 7 days. It's designed for targeted treatment of joints like your hands, wrists, knees, and ankles. And for those with sensitivities, Voltaren is paraben and dye-free, with a clean scent and a non-greasy feel that makes it perfect for everyday use. Say goodbye to pills and hello to an effective, easy-to-use solution for arthritis pain relief. Want to learn more? Check out the product link in the description and the pinned comment below. Your pain-free future starts here.